Good morning. It's Wendy from Winway Creations. Hope everyone's well today. Today I'm going to be doing Anna from Pink Monarch Prints, Super Simples number 2. So here's my prototype. Whoops. So it's got all these pockets on the front, little journaling bits and pieces in the pockets. I've only made this morning, so I haven't finished it off, so I'm going to finish it off when I that one's closed shut. It's got a pocket there, another little tag journaling spot in that one, 3 little tickets there. This gets glued down there, there and there. Gets glued down on your page, leaving a little tuck spot here for this one, which is glued shut. No, that gets another bit of, it's another pocket, sorry, where you can put some coffee dyed paper or something, or lined paper, or paper of interest. Another pocket. Oh, thought I'd glued that there for a minute. More journaling space. So yeah, nice and simple and sweet. So that goes in there in your book, in your junk journal. Alrighty. So you'll find, I'll link Pink Monarch Prints website, YouTube side, and you'll be able to get these kits from her Etsy shop. So this is your back piece, and we're going to put some pockets on now. So I've inked all round mine, and I'm not gluing down the bottom. I'm only doing the sides. Couldn't glue straight. My life depended on it today, apparently. The same with this one, just down the side. And then the bottom one on all 3 sides. Okay, I've got a bit of ribbon to put on mine. I'm just going to put that on. Where's my other scissors? I didn't put lace on the other one because I didn't have any inside when I was doing it. I hate that about tissues. I put that on upside down. Easy fixed. Okay. Just going to put this flower on. Trim that bit of lace off there that's sticking out very untidily. little number on. There we go. Easy as that. As simple as that. And some cards to go in. Oh, don't. I thought I'd put my pocket on upside down. Phew. The next one we're going to do is this one. Find this little pocket here. How did I put it on? So you go down here, on the inside of your book, not too close, so it's got plenty of room to open and close it without catching. Glue your edge and your bottom. And glue. You can leave it open if you want. Sorry about that, banging the camera. Tick it in the top here. I'm just going to put a little bit of ribbon in this. I didn't do that on the other one. I should have done. Ribbon, lace, whatever you've got, whatever you want to use, twine. This is just some stuff I had sitting on my desk. That's not going to go through the hole because I'm all thumbs this morning. Oh, here we go. That goes in that pocket there. And on the back end I put a little butterfly. So when you open it up you see this little butterfly on the inside. That goes in the middle pocket. Along with the little picture of the little lady catching on the tag. There we go. Okay. Next one is the rose. The rose piece. I'm just putting little bits and pieces on these. Now Anna glued hers shut and I've actually left mine open. for extra journaling space. But that's purely up to you what you want to do. Okay. So then we have this part here. And I'll put a number on here. On the tab. I'm going to make this into a pocket. My printer was playing up, so I've got black lines. It was after I'd done it. It was actually after I did a head clean. It takes a while to... It's only the black that does it. My new printer. So ridiculous. Okay, and that there's blank. That can just go in there. Another little butterfly on the back of this. And we glue along the top. And the bottom. Make another pocket. And just some coffee dyed paper to go in there. So there we go. You glue this on there, there. Put it on your paper, and you've made a tuck spot, which has got another couple of pockets. Got a tuck spot pocket there, pocket there. So how simple and easy is that? That's pretty good, hey? Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching that, and have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.